Check out the Igbo village in the United States of America. And I'm looking at an article by Deolu, October 26, 2015. There's an amazing looking Igbo village located in Staunton, Virginia, USA. The Washington, D.C. chapter of Anambra State Association, USA, constructed the village to preserve the Igbos' heritage. Basil Okafor, one of the organizers of the village, said the state of Virginia and the U.S. government recognized the Igbos as one of the early slaves who settled in Virginia. The Igbo Farm Village, as it is called, was built with mud, which makes it a typical African home in America. Okafor said, "We have built Ulo Aja in America in the way it used to be in Igbo land to show our children here our cultural heritage. In due time, we will not see this kind of houses in Igbo land, but you have to travel to United States to see our mud houses." The photos below show activities at the village, how some Igbo cultural festivals are celebrated there. Africans were brought to colonial America to serve as enslaved agricultural workers during the 1600s and the 1700s. About 250,000 domestic servants and artisans were used as slaves there within the era. A large number of Africans live in all of Great Britain's North American colonies. However, they have the largest population within South Carolina and Virginia. Thanks for listening to Igbo TV. Please subscribe to our channels for updates on the Igbo people. God bless you.